Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lindsey here, and today we have another review for you. What do we have here today? We have Alo, which I don't review a lot. I don't know why, because I love them. We have Alo Airlift High Waist 7/8 lineup legging. Woo, that was a mouthful, and apparently this is one of their best sellers. Are they worth it? Are they not? Let's get into it. But before I do, don't forget, I link everything up below when you shop directly from my links. That does help support my channel. I appreciate that so much. I went ahead and got a size medium. I wear a size medium in Gymshark Vital Seamless. I wear a size 6 in Lululemon Align if that helps you with sizing. I also have all my stats below in the description as well. As soon as I pulled these out of the packaging, ooh, they are sleek. I love the look of these and all of the detailing, which we'll get into. I held them out. I was like, okay, I think these will fit. I was a little concerned if they would stretch up over my hips, and actually they do. They fit really well. The stretch in the legging is nice, but still has a good compression. Now, does the waistband pass the high waistband test? Oh, after all, it is in the title that it's high-waisted. It does pass the high waistband test. The waistband hits above my belly button. However, this waistband is not going to be as wide as, say, a Lululemon Align or the Gymshark Vital Seamless. It is going to be a thinner waistband. However, where it hit me, it hit right around or on top of the belly button to where it didn't give me a weird pooch or anything, which is nice when we have these thinner waistbands. Now, with the waistband itself, it is going to be a thicker material than the legging, and we're going to have this beautiful like velvet pattern around the waistband, which is perfect for this time of year, fall winter vibes for sure. And it's very like sleek and sheen, like it's just very, I love it. I love it. I love it. Then we have the Alo logo in the front here. It's reflective, so you kind of have that little pop in the front. And the waistband, that detailing goes all the way to the back. Now let's talk about the seams. We do have a front seam here, and we have a small gusset below, and that is double layered. We then have one seam down the inside of the legging, and the seams look really nice and tacked. Now, as I turn around to the side, guess what? We have some really cute detailing with the same kind of velvet material that's around the waistband. We have two lines that go down the side here, and they both have two lines that go with it, so a total of 4. Now, the thing that I like about this is I feel like it really hugs the curves nicely and accentuates the curves. Kind of like some of Gymshark's leggings where they have the certain patterns and shadings. That's what this reminds me of with Alo. Now, as we go around to the back, they call this their sweetheart detailing. It's pretty much a V up with that velvet material that continues around to the side. And I think this accentuates the glutes nicely, and it's tastefully done. So it gives you a little pop without like too much of a pop, you know what I'm saying? That you still feel good going out and about in these leggings. Then we do have a seam in the back. It's not a scrunch butt or anything like that. We just have a normal seam going back there. Same color as the legging, so it doesn't really show too much. Now, I did go ahead and go with their black. It does say it's their best seller. They do have other colors like a red. The dark green looks really pretty, a cream color, a navy blue, so they have a lot of different options, which I love. Overall, these leggings are a yes for me. They're so silky smooth. They're really comfortable, and they're kind of edgy where they're different than like my Lululemon Aligns or my Gymshark Vital Seamless, and I could wear these on repeat year after year because I feel like they're just so cute. I'm going to link these up below. Again, I am a size medium. I do feel like they run true to size. If you have any questions or have any review requests, put them below in the comments. I'm happy to answer and hear you out. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later.